How's it going, everybody? Today we are going to be talking about 5 tips to help you determine the right amount of cyber liability insurance coverage for your business. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian Gutowski. I'm an independent insurance agent based here in the state of Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I help businesses with their commercial insurance programs, as well as helping families and individuals with their personal insurance, their home, their auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information to you so that you can make more informed decisions around your insurance, whether that's for yourself, your business, or your family, and overall help answer any questions that you might have. So let's get into it. First, let's start with understanding the industry that your business is in. Different industries will face different risks when it comes to cyber threats. For example, a healthcare company will have different needs compared to a retail business than compared to a manufacturing company. So it is very helpful to look at industry standards for businesses of your size. This can help give you an average coverage amount that businesses in your industry and of similar size do carry. Next is to consider the average claim size for businesses like yours. Cyber incidents can get very costly, from data breaches to ransomware attacks. So by looking at the average claim size in your industry, you can get a better idea for the potential exposure that your business does have. This can help make sure that you are not underinsured if an incident does happen. Also, it is very important to note the total coverage across the entire policy, not just the total general aggregate limit. Oftentimes, cyber insurance policies will come with sublimits in specific coverage areas like data breach response, business interruption, and regulatory fines. And these sublimits cap the amount of coverage you would receive for those specific incidents. So it is important to make sure you have enough coverage for your business's needs. This brings us to another important point, and that is examining your business's unique risks. If you handle a lot of sensitive data or rely heavily on digital operations, you might need more coverage than an average business. And going back to the previous point, depending on your operations, you might need more coverage in certain areas. So working with your insurance agent, a cybersecurity professional, whoever it may be, to help determine your exposures to make sure that there are coverage for those areas can be extremely helpful. And then finally, review and regularly update your coverage. Your business's operations, cyber threats, these are all changing constantly over time from year to year. So it is crucial to make sure that you are regularly reviewing your policy to make sure that it is keeping up with the evolving risks in your industry and then just your overall business growth. And then adjusting your coverage to make sure that you are adequately protected. Overall, these 5 factors are just some of the things that you can use to help determine the right cyber liability insurance coverage amount for your business. And using these tips can help give you a strong foundation to make sure that you have enough and the right coverage in place for your business. So thank you for watching, and if you are looking for help with your cyber insurance or commercial insurance in general, I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if our team can help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they should all be in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, reach out on social media, whatever is easiest. And if you have any questions about insurance, whether it's commercial or personal, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I would love to help answer those as well. So thank you again.